Today we move on to the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill on page 176 and 177. The term health and disease, these two terms are most important issue for human life, which affect mentally, physically and socially in human communities. The first term is health. What is health? Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. It also depends on the physical surrounding and the economic status of the human beings. For example, if the surrounding place of your house or your building is dumped with dust particle and waste substance, how do you feel? It causes irritation because foul smell, bad smell arises from the dust particles or dumped particles. So, we are unhealthy. In this case, we are mentally unhealthy. We are living in society. We are surrounded by many people. If any problem is created by the society, we are feeling uneasy and as well as we are unhealthy. An unhealthy person are not able to do work efficiently. If the surrounding is not good, or if the society, or if you are facing problem by the society, or you are disturbed mentally, we can say we are unhealthy. While playing, you got sprain or you got little fracture, small fracture on leg or hand, then we can say we are physically unhealthy. So there are three dimensions of health: physical, mental and social. If the person is physically, mentally and socially healthy, then we can say the person is a healthy person. If you are in the emotional mode or if you are angered, then we can say you are unhealthy. Now let's move on to the topic significance of health. Healthy person can work efficiently, but unhealthy person cannot able to do work more efficiently. Health reflects the state of mind, body and behavior. A healthy person performs any activity with complete perfection. Health also reduces infant and maternal mortality. The next concept is personal and community issues both matter for health. As we all know that human is a social animal. Human community creates society. We all human together create society. Thus human beings live in societies. Thus our social environment is an important factor in our individual health, which senses that the health of all organisms depend on their surroundings in which they live. Surrounding environment includes all the physical environment. What is physical environment? The water you get, the soil in which you are living, the places, surrounding trees, air pollution. This all comes under this environment. Thus, a person is influenced by the community. So we can conclude that the combined efforts of persons and community matters for health. That means health of a person depend upon the combined effort of persons and community in which he lives. So the state of health is not achieved by each one of us on their own. It is the combined effort. There are certain issues which affect our health: social environment, public cleanliness, economic status, social equality and harmony, food nature and resources. These all things affect the human health. If a person is not economically good, he cannot able to provide healthy food to their children. So economic status is one of the issue which affect the health of the person. But the term healthy and disease free, these two terms are totally different from one another.